Dur-A-Flex floors are designed for and used in heavy traffic areas that typically accumulate foreign matter. Because of this, the recommended maintenance schedule for most areas is once or twice daily cleaning and regular touch-ups for spills. Less frequent cleaning of these areas results in a buildup of foreign matter, which diminishes the appearance, safety, and service life of the floor. Determining the correct cleaning product for your Dur-A-Flex floor is based upon the amount and type of soiling the floor receives. We have divided these into 4 types and recommended a cleaning product for each instance. The best way to clean a Dur-A-Flex floor is to use the recommended cleaning products and follow a 6-step process. Equipment needs will vary between small and medium to large floor areas. Step 1. With a broom or floor sweeper, make sure to sweep the floor thoroughly. Never use a mop to clean a floor that is greasy or oily. Step 2. For a medium to large area, use an automatic floor scrubber or foamer sprayer to apply the cleaning product to the floor surface. When using a floor cleaning machine, a pad is recommended for use on smooth floor systems, while a soft to medium flex nylon bristle brush is recommended for broadcast floor systems with added texture. Make sure the pads or brushes are in good shape. The pads should be non-abrasive white, tan, or red 3M cleaning pads or equivalent. Brushes should be nylon non-abrasive Malish 8129 series or equivalent. Soft to medium flex, nylon bristle brush. For cleaning a small area, use a deck brush or foamer sprayer to apply the cleaning product. When using a deck brush, choose a medium or stiff bristle. Step 3. Let the cleaning product dwell for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the cleaning product to emulsify foreign material. Step 4. Using the floor cleaning machine, agitate the cleaning product to aid in the release of foreign materials. For smaller areas, use a deck brush to agitate the solution. Step 5. Using a squeegee or automatic floor scrubber, remove the cleaning product from the floor. When removing the solution with a squeegee, use a soft neoprene squeegee. Do not use a water spray to remove the cleaning solution from the floor because it will over-dilute, causing grease and oil to fall back onto the floor. In small surface areas, use a wet vacuum to remove the product from the floor. Step 6. Rinse the floor with clean water and remove the cleaning solution with a squeegee or wet vacuum. Your floor will look its best when it is clean. By establishing a scheduled cleaning program, the floor will continue to look and perform as it did when it was first installed. For further technical assistance regarding this guide, please call Dur-A-Flex Technical Services at 800-253-3539 or email us at contact_us@dur-a-flex.com.